Okay, Eli thinks it's really funny when I eat an ice cube and then stick it back in the drink. Eli, watch. Why is that so funny? Breathe. You want me to do it again? Do you want me to do it? You want me to do it? Oh my god. You want me to do it again? How come Gabriel doesn't think it's so funny? Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to show him what I'm doing. This is all I'm doing.